guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Fix My Apple YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone keyboard lagging after 80.2 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. iPhone keyboard lagging after the 80.2 updating can be frustrating. Several users have reported this issue. Here are some potential fixes to try. Solution number 1, disable Predictive Text and Auto-Correction. Go to Setting app, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Keyboard. You can see appears on screen. And Auto-Correction, this has worked for some users, but keep in the mind that you can see lose the features and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is reset keyboard dictionary. Go to Setting app, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Setting, tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see Reset Dictionary. This will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory defaults. Tap on Reset Dictionary to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is disable and re-enable keyboard. Go to Setting app, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Keyboard and toggle off the keyboard, then restart your iPhone and re-enable the keyboard and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Go to Setting app, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. And problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact vspod@apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone keyboard lagging after 80.2 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.